There we go. Yep, it's working now. Thank you for telling me. Alright. My mic sucks, I know. Alright. So yeah, Bitcoin, I think that's what we do with Bitcoin. Alright, let's go to XLM because I bought some XLM. I bought XLM around 50 cents, a little bit lower than 49.5 cents. I bought a lot of XLM. I was able to pick up, about another 10,000 XLM or a little bit less than that on this dip. Pretty happy about that. I was able to pick up a little more Chainlink, not much more Chainlink. So whatever with that. If we really get another correction, if we go back down to 30K, and I think that will be the new bottom again, like a double bottom or something, I'd buy a little bit more, probably Chainlink, because I got about 10 more Chainlink, maybe it was 20 more Chainlink I got on the dip. So not a lot more, but a few $100 more. So I like to buy more Chainlink if we go back to around 30K on Bitcoin. But I bought more XLM at 50 cents. Right now you have a Red X. We do have support basically around where we're at now at 43 cents. If we break that, which we broke it earlier today, you could be looking at 35 cent Chainlink, which is basically where we bounced and we had a wick below 35 cents. But you basically held 35 cents as support on Chainlink or on XLM earlier today. So that's where I'd be looking if we go retest 30K on Bitcoin. So that's your support. Yeah, I believe in XLM long term. I think we're going to break $1 easily if Bitcoin's bull run isn't over, which I don't think it is. Alright, Chainlink. Currently sitting at $28. Unfortunately, I got back in around $33 earlier today, but you do have strong support at $25 for Chainlink. You had a few weeks below that earlier today, but overall you weren't below it for very long. So $25 is still support. Right now it's sitting at $28.50. If you break that, $20 is the next support, which is where the wick bounced off of earlier today. So if you go back to 30K, that's where I'd be expecting Chainlink to go. I'm still bullish on all of that. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna have to probably figure out my mic. Alright, well thanks for the tip. I'm gonna have to figure that for the next live stream. I'll keep going. Anyways, that's kind of what I'm looking at for those coins. I think EOS is probably another good coin to get into. I think that's a really good one to get into because it's down over 50% in the last few weeks. It hit 13 something, maybe even went all the way to $14 about 2 weeks ago. So I think EOS might be a really good one to get into. What is EOS at right now? Let me go look. EOS is currently at $5.50. So I think that's almost 60% off. So I think that would be a really good one to get into. EOS might be one I actually put some more money into. I'm not really sure. We'll see what happens. If it goes even lower, if it goes to $5, I'll definitely be putting in a little bit of money into EOS. I think that'd be a great buy. Yeah. RLC. I saw RLC. I saw that was down a lot too. Like what, 4x or 75% or something the last few days, maybe 80%. RLC is currently sitting at $4.30. I don't think I've looked at this in a long time. Let me go to the daily chart, map out some resistances. It's actually brand new to Coinbase, so maybe that's why you went up to what, $16 on that, basically. Yeah, you have resistance around, without the wicks, about $16 is the resistance, and you're gonna basically be at support right here at $4. I don't think you're going to break $4 if Bitcoin can hold 30K. If Bitcoin doesn't hold 30K, obviously you're going to go much lower. This hasn't been on Coinbase very long, so I don't have a lot of chart data. I can tell you that it recently does have a lot of sell signals, but I do think that would be RLC would be another good one to pick up if Bitcoin can hold 30K. I really do think it can go back to $16, and yeah, I know $16 is all-time high. So if it goes back to all-time highs, you're at 4x. So this time in the bull market, I think that'd probably be a pretty good one to pick up. I personally won't pick it up because I don't know a lot about it, but it could be a good trade. I will probably rather buy EOS just because, I don't know, I think it has a lot of potential. I think EOS has a potential to hit $50 this bull run. I don't know a lot about RLC, but I like both actually for a trade setup. So yeah, that's kind of the ones I'm looking at. So let's go back to Bitcoin, see what that's doing. Currently sitting at $36,800. If we go to the super small time frames, on the 1 minute, you do have a green candle. I may look to re-enter if Bitcoin can hold 36, 37K. And we'll see with the tight stop loss, of course. But I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin put in a higher high around $31,000, probably around 31K, around that price, and then goes up, retest 42K. Maybe you don't break it, maybe retest 40K as support, and then go up. And keep importing. Even if we stay between $30,000 and $42,000 for the next week, 2 weeks, as long as we continually put in higher lows and higher highs, or even higher lows, that means Bitcoin is in an uptrend. So as long as every time you go and test support, you don't go as far down, that will be bullish for Bitcoin. And that will be really good for altcoins to start rallying again if Bitcoin can hold $31,000. So that's kind of what I'm looking at for this week and next week going forward. That's what we have to hold, is 30 to 31K as support. All right, well, thanks guys for joining. It's a pretty quick stream. I just wanted to update you guys on what's going on in crypto. I will see you guys tomorrow at 8 p.m. Central Time. Bitcoin needs to make a higher high, I think, for us to be bullish, which would be above $30,100 at the very minimum. We have to hold that level, I think, to be bullish on Bitcoin any longer. So, with that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night and safe trading. Always trade with a stop loss. See you tomorrow. All right, thanks guys for joining. See you tomorrow.